Hello, today I will show you some features of your new Golden West Webmail, including the Mail Quota Mini View, adding to your blacklist or whitelist, and reporting feedback. So I just logged into my Golden West Webmail and I am on the main Mail View screen. Your email quota is viewable in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, and this, along with the mail quota in settings, is in real time. The color of the graph will change depending on the percentage the user is at. If it is greater than or equal to 85%, the text will appear red and the graph will appear yellow. After 90%, both the text and the graph will appear red. A warning will also be displayed when the user is close to being over quota. When the user has reached 100% quota, an error message will appear on the screen, and mail function may be altered as well as a result from this. How to add email addresses to your blacklist or whitelist. Directly in the mail view are options to add currently selected email into your user's enemies or friends list. When a user clicks on one of these options, the From field of the email will be extracted and added into the appropriate list. So you simply just click on the email that you want to add to your list, select Mark, and then either add to your blacklist or your whitelist. Multiple messages are also able to be selected and added into either list, and this is done by clicking one message and holding down your Shift key and clicking on the other. And then you can select your list again. And duplicate entries will be consolidated into just one. If you'd like to report any feedback on your Golden West Webmail, you can do so by clicking the Report Feedback button found up here at the top. You can rate your experience, type in your comments, enter your name, and then hit Post. This will generate an email to our IT department, and your feedback will be taken into consideration for our new webmail. If you have any further questions on any features of your new Golden West Webmail, please visit our website at goldenwest.com/webmail.